Longevity science promises eternal youth, but is it just hype? The first human trials started this March. You need to know if this could change your future now. This March marked a major milestone. The first human safety trials of rejuvenation therapy began. Scientists are attempting to reverse diseases of the eye, specifically glaucoma, by applying this new therapy. Rejuvenation therapy, one of the newest frontiers in longevity science, aims to actually reverse cellular aging processes. This is not just slowing decline, but restoring youthful function. It's a promising step beyond traditional treatments, signaling serious progress in how we approach aging and chronic disease. A mind-blowing discovery called natural rejuvenation shows that human embryos, after 2 weeks, reset their cells to a kind of ground zero of youth. This means that instead of starting life young, we actually work our way back to youthfulness. Understanding this natural reset could unlock powerful ways to mimic this process in adults. It challenges everything we thought about aging being a one-way decline and opens doors to truly reversing it. Uri Alon, Ph.D., a leading molecular cell biology professor at the Weizmann Institute, advises people to relax about perfect lifestyle choices. Instead, he and other top longevity experts emphasize simple, scientifically proven habits like quality sleep, balanced diet, and regular exercise to maintain health. This approach contrasts with the intense hype around new therapies, reminding us that everyday habits remain crucial while science catches up. Susan Dominus's April 23 New York Times Magazine article puts longevity science under a microscope. She agrees much of the hype doesn't match current realities, but points out that certain research, like rejuvenation therapies and natural cellular reset, could revolutionize human health. This balanced view helps separate sensational claims from breakthroughs worth watching closely as they develop. While cutting-edge therapies advance, other research continues on natural health boosters like matcha tea. Melissa Hogenboom reports on scientists exploring matcha's antioxidant properties in a global effort to build the world's largest longevity research project. This shows the field's broad approach, combining lifestyle, nutrition, and futuristic therapies to extend healthy lifespan. What this means for you is clear. Longevity science is evolving rapidly but isn't magic yet. You can't rely solely on hype or new therapies. Focus on proven habits like sleep and diet while watching these breakthrough trials closely. Subscribe now to stay updated on the science that could reshape our future health and aging.